Alright, this is Kitten. This video is called Kitten Takes Bath. We haven't got a name, so the cat's currently no name. And
no name.
She's flipping out.
Because she does not like baths. She's too young to know how to wash herself yet. I know. I know. It's the worst. You hate it. Yes. I know. I'm the worst mommy. Yes. I just want you to be clean.
She knows. She knows what that's for. Look, I'm gonna get pet. Yes, baby. Yep. Yeah, you can grab that, that's fine. You can grab that. She'll hopefully learn how to bathe herself someday. So we don't have to do this anymore. Huh. Okay, grab that. Grab that, there you go. I know. Oh, that's interesting. Her, one of those paws looks webbed.
Webbed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, now we rinse. She's not gonna like that either. Okay, all done. Wasn't that bad. I complained for no reason. Yeah. There you go. All done.
It's not as bad as Leo was since you're tiny.
No. No. Still get a couple of scratches, but not that bad, huh? Yeah?
Did you see her face? You gotta see her face at that time. It's like...
She's like, this was horrible. There you go. Gotta dry her off. And then she's actually pretty easy to dry off since she's so small. Huh? Hmm? No mohawk, maybe? Not enough hair? I know. Ribbed, right?
The cats are evolving.
Half cat, half frog.
I thought ducks were the most iconic things.
With webbed feet?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're probably right, actually.
Humans are
So
also...
she's a cat duck?
That sounds familiar for some reason.
I know. Okay, water's gone. Dry you off.
What? She's as noisy as I was when I get dried off.
Yeah. You don't think she's noisier?
No, not really. Because I'm slightly louder, but she talks more.
Yeah.
Whoa, what happened?
Hmm.
Something weird happened.
All right. See, that's about it. I'm gonna go get a blow dry now.
A completely unedited video. There is yellow light, but that's just for my camera.
Bye bye. Clean, right?
Alright.